On this problem, I will once again show two different ways to do the problem. So if you like the first way, you're done. If you like the second way, you need to kind of hold off. I guess that depends on if you watched the last video. Step number one says change the minus signs. So I'm going to come right here where it has x minus 1, and I'm going to change that to plus and negative. And I realize that that is pretty small to see, but I made it work. Okay, I'm going to multiply x times the whole parenthesis on the next one, so x, and then x plus 4. Next, I will multiply the negative 1, remember that is a negative 1 there, even though it's hard to tell, times the x plus 4. My next step is to distribute. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times a positive 4 is negative 4, or plus a negative 4. So my final step is to combine like terms. I don't have anything that matches my x squared. I do, however, have two terms in the middle that are alike. They both have an x. So plus 4x plus a negative 1x. So basically 4x plus a negative 1x, which is 3x. And then down here at the end, I have plus a negative 4. Now, I've talked about this in most of my videos. I don't love the double signs. I used it up here to get my correct sign, but at the end, I can say, oh, well, if I changed my minus to be plus a negative, let's undo that to make it just a minus sign. So right here at the end, I would have minus 4 instead of plus a negative 4. For those of you who do not want to do step 1, so we're going to cross that out, here is the other way that you can do it. We're going to still break it up into two parts. X is going to be multiplied by x plus 4. And then I will have my minus 1 multiplied by, again, the x plus 4. Okay, x times x, x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Now, I'm not going to write down this plus sign because that's where I'm going to get my double negatives, or double signs. So what I'm going to do next is just go negative 1 times x, which is negative 1x, negative 1. So notice this is negative 1 times a positive 4, which will give me negative 4. Next, I'm going to combine like terms. The only like terms I have are here in the middle. They both have an x on them. So my final answer would be x squared plus 3x minus 4.